Description: more than a body moisturizer, this transforming treatment is packed with potent peptides plus lifting and brightening agents to visibly tighten and even skin tone. Benefits: improves the look of skin texture, crepiness. Visibly tightens, firms, restores elasticity. Suggested use: massage a generous amount onto clean, dry skin twice daily, concentrating on areas of concern. For optimal benefits, apply after exfoliation with Crepe Control Exfoliating Body Scrub, 2 to 3 times per week. Top reviews from the United States. This is listed as 1 ounce. But 2 ounces is what is shipped. Great value. This product is very substantial. On the StriVectin site the retail is $29, so $23 is a good price. You need very little product per application, so will last a long time. I saw many comments about the scent. They must have enhanced because it is very light and pleasant, clean and slight citrus, fades quickly as it gets absorbed. Just began using, so no long-term results on day 3, but moisturizing lasts most of day, even with light washing. Good purchase, ordered a second one at this price.